Hey guys, welcome to day one of the strength training portion of boot camp. You've been with us from the beginning. She's already dropped over 40 pounds doing water fasting. She's been re-fed now for 5 days. So now we're going to get into some strength training that everybody can do. This is going to help build up her body. It's going to help build up her endurance. So go ahead and pick up the blocks, baby. This is a two-person event. One person is going to run from here to the van down yonder, while the other one carries the cinder blocks from here to the van, and then they swap. Now the person that does the running is going to get there first. That person gets to break until the person carrying the cinder blocks, you can put that down, until the person carrying the cinder blocks actually arrives. So the faster you run, the longer your break. So to start, I'll run, or would you like to run? Your choice, Sweet Pea. We can wait. We're on camera. Okay, so to start, she's gonna run to my van, and then you break. You get to break until I get there with these cinder blocks. Okay, guys? So, watch us, and we'll show you what's going on. Run. Just like that is one repetition. Now she is bringing the blocks behind me. When she gets here, I'll grab the blocks and go, and she'll run. And now you run.
Yay.
Run. Okay, guys, we're gonna do this for an hour. So, day number one, the plan was an hour with the cinder blocks. Somebody dropped and broke one of the cinder blocks.
Somebody being me.
Yes, somebody being her. So we switched over to some steel plates. Baby, show them the steel plates. There you go. They're just 25-pound plates, and we kept the whole thing up for 30 minutes instead of an hour. Now we're going to move to the next stage of strength training, working the back. You ready?
Always.
You're super quiet.
Yeah, always. Woo! Get out the puddle.
She's going to wear some gloves so she doesn't tear up her knuckles. And we're going to do 2,000 strikes with each leg forward. So 2,000 with the left leg, where you'll be jabbing left-handed and cross with the right, and 2,000 with the right leg forward, where you're jabbing right, crossing left. We're going to high speed through this next part. Jab, 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 jab. Faster, faster.
Can you switch arms then?
Switch arms. Tear it up. We're going to keep them burning. Keep that heart rate up. Burn all them calories away. Okay, jab, cross, jab, cross. One jab, cross.
Okay.
Not jab, jab, cross.
But I was doing
Jab,
it.
jab, cross. Now your jab is fast, but it's not that hard. Your cross, I want you to throw all your ass at it. I want a jab and I want a cross that's designed specifically with the intention of knocking somebody down. So the jab is to throw them off balance, and then the cross is to send them backwards. Jab faster, cross harder. Harder cross. Come on, baby. You got it. Switch legs. Jab quick, cross. Breathe.
I'm not good at talking, but okay. I'm punching this thing a lot. My hands hurt, but I'm going to continue doing it because eventually they won't hurt no more. And then I'll be strong.
You heard it here, folks. Then she'll be strong. Are you out of breath there, Sweet Pea?
Oh, yeah. This is like overcooked spaghetti. Just try to like imagine taking a piece of noodle and just going whap, 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 whap. That's about how it feels right now. At least that's how it feels like it feels.
Alright, ready to get back at it? Oh yeah. Left leg forward. You're trying to give me your dominant leg early. I want your bad leg first.
Okay.
Alright, come around. Talk to the camera.
Hi, people. For a second there, I thought I chameleonized. I was going this way and that way. It was bad. It's okay.
They can't hear you whisper. The microphone doesn't pick up that much.
Oh, okay. Basically, I was being goofy and said that my eyes kind of felt like a million eyes because I was seeing out this side and this side, and like
Like a
felt weird.
fly's eyes?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, that's
I
Jane.
felt like it was doing this.
She did not get
Anyway.
fly-style eyes from me, folks. Must have been her mama.
No, it's because I've got new glasses and I'm focusing on the bottom and then out the sides. It's
All right.
weird. Stuff moves.
Next up, stage 3 of strength training, day number 1. So for exercise number 3 of strength training, day 1, we're going to work on our core muscles. And your core is this entire section. Lower back, obliques, abdominals, some of your actual support muscles. It's all considered your core. So what we're going to do, Lexus, step a little bit over to the side there. We are going to take our legs and we're going to go slightly more than a shoulder width apart. We're going to hold this up and close to our chest. And what we're going to do is we're going to go side to side like this. 1, 2. Now watch my legs. I don't want you to do it till I tell you. Keep your legs bent slightly, like so. Okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2. We're going to start slow, and then we're going to get faster and faster and faster and faster as we do it throughout the course of the training. For today, I only want you to be slow. What are you looking at? There ain't nothing on the back to read.
I'm focusing on breathing. You wouldn't think it's this hard, but it kind of is when you're like, everything's burning and you feel noodly.
It's not that hard, guys.
Everything's hard the first day.
She's not wrong. For those of you doing this at home, it's okay to be tired. It's okay for it to burn. That's a normal and completely acceptable response. Okay, so Lex, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to work out just our obliques, just the sides. And what we're going to do there is we're going to put both feet together Now what you're basically going to do is you're going to stretch down and try to touch your knee without bending your back. You want to bend the whole thing all together.
Like this?
Okay, now switch to the other side. Okay, kind of like that, yeah, kind of like that. Except for you don't really want to lay your shoulder down like that. You kind of want to just keep it. It doesn't have to touch the knee. You're not like, there, I can get my knees. We're not doing that. Okay, what we're doing is we're aiming towards the knee. We don't have to hit the knee. So you want to keep all of this locked up and tight and nice in the frame, and you want your back just to go boom, 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 boom. Okay, and you want to just go back and forth.
We're penguins.
Yes, we can be penguins. We're going to call this the penguin. So she says. And we're going to do it 100 times. You didn't say nothing when I said 100 times. We're going to do it 200 times.
I'm a penguin.
All right, you go all the way down. When you go down, you want this to stretch. All of this needs to stretch and be nice and tight.
Okay.
Let's keep at it. Boom, 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 boom. Na 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 na. Is that Winnie the Pooh? It is. Why am I singing Winnie the Pooh while I'm doing my penguins? I don't think I can call these the penguins. I'm sorry. I tried. I'm trying to be supportive.
It burns, but I'm also laughing, so I can't tell what's what.
And that completes day 1 strength training.
I like that one. It's funny.